Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically we're using Wix in 2026 for a while now, and you just want to go ahead and actually set up an SEO fast and easy as usual. So in today's video I'll make sure to show you, as I said, all of this, the usual stuff. So we're gonna start for now. Open your device, go and look for wix.com after basically checking if you are fully connected to the internet. It's time now to do your usual login using your email address and password, since we're gonna go and look for the SEO tools. Okay, we're gonna go and look in these settings. We can actually basically search whatever we want, SEO settings, SEO. As you see here, there is much more basically things to edit by page type, customize the default page settings, and meta tags across all page types. You can tap on this one, edit by page, customize defaults. It all depends on you basically. The search engines index your site, pro galleries. So you can basically just launch the SEO setup checklist, follow the step-by-step guide. When you are fully done, just go ahead and save your changes. That's the main idea. Okay, so that's the main SEO settings for now for our website. So as you see here, you have this SEO setup checklist. All you're gonna do is start the setup, follow all of the prompts and all of the steps, and that's the main idea. We have also this Google Search Console. Okay, SEO settings, SEO setup checklist, SEO. There is much more settings that you can use, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.